Hi guys, these are the vocabulary words for this week's unit. Let's get started. Ancestors, people from who you are descended, such as great-grandparents. In a sentence, you could say, my ancestors come from Great Britain. Avoid, keep away from, keep out of the way. In a sentence, I avoided the crack so I didn't trip. Generations, period of about 30 years. In a sentence, my grandmother, mother, and myself are from different generations. Minister, member of the clergy, spiritual guide, pastor. A minister could also be a minister of education or a minister of health. In a sentence, the Minister of Health will speak tonight about the COVID. Numerous, very many. There are numerous basketballs on this page. Pulpit, platform or raised structure in a church from which a pastor preaches. The pastor spoke from his pulpit. Finally, shielding, protecting, defending. This girl is shielding her eyes from the boogeyman.